In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a website on Squarespace. This guide is perfect for those moments when you need to replicate your website either for a backup, starting a new project, or just trying out some new changes without disrupting your live site. Squarespace makes this process quick and relatively painless, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to be logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're in the main dashboard, you'll be greeted by a familiar site, a list of all the websites you currently manage. Take a moment to locate the site you want to duplicate. This should be relatively easy as they're all displayed neatly for your convenience. Now, once you've found your target site, look over to the right-hand side. You'll notice a series of icons next to each site's name. Among these icons, you'll see a three-dot menu icon. This little icon is our gateway to more options, so go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several useful actions you can take. In this drop-down menu, you should see the option labeled Duplicate Website. Now, don't worry. This process is entirely safe and won't affect your original website. You're simply creating a copy that you can freely experiment with. So, click on Duplicate Website. At this point, Squarespace may prompt you to confirm this action. This is just their way of double-checking that you indeed want to go through with it. A quick confirmation will set the process in motion. After confirming, you'll see a brief notification indicating that your request is being processed. Now, here's an important tip. This step might take a little time depending on the complexity and the number of elements your website contains. While you wait, it's perfectly normal to get a bit eager, but rest assured that Squarespace is doing all the heavy lifting to create a perfect duplicate of your site. Once the duplication process is finished, your new site will appear alongside your original one in the dashboard. From here, you're ready to start working on your duplicated site, whether that involves experimenting with new design ideas, making significant layout changes, or preparing for an upcoming launch. And there you have it. You've successfully created a duplicate of your site on Squarespace. This not only creates more flexibility in managing your online presence, but also safeguards against unwanted changes on your live site. Remember, familiarity with these tools can really empower you in your web design journey, granting you more confidence to explore and innovate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating your Squarespace experience.